Hi there, it's Gary Outrageous and you're on my page. What is sales hypnosis? Well, it's quite an interesting concept for most people. Below the video there'll be not a transcript of what I'm about to say, but I sort of wrote it out in Word and put it down there. You know, it's like me putting websites together. Then I thought, oh, a video, that'll be good. So whenever the word hypnosis is mentioned, a lot of people think, oh, stage hypnosis, where people are made to do daft and silly things. Yeah, in all fairness, they do volunteer to go on the stage one way or another. And the stage hypnotist, what they're looking for is what they call the natural somnambulist, and that's the person who's highly suggestible. Okay, yet we're all suggestible in different levels. Okay, so when I'm working with clients and when I'm working in the sales arena, you can't just ask people to put their hands together and imagine they're locking tightly together and then close their eyes and do things like that. Oh no, you have to use more subtle approaches. You see, the same people that think that hypnosis is daft or silly are also the same people that will get in a car, drive at 70 miles an hour, or maybe even more. Okay, they're eating at the wheel, speaking at the wheel, listening to their music, and then they actually get to where they want to be and thought, how did I get here? Yeah, of course. Well, the reason why they might say that is because their subconscious part of their mind's been looking after them all of the journey. Okay, so they're totally aware of everything at a conscious and unconscious level. They'll often say I was on autopilot, as if that's an answer for it. Amazing, isn't it? Now, the beautiful thing about hypnosis, okay, there's one golden thread that weaves through hypnosis. Okay, it's free, and number two, you can't do any harm to yourself or anyone else unless you really are daft or stupid, in all fairness. That's just my honest opinion, and that's got nothing to do with hypnosis. It's got everything to do with the person. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, look, in the state known as hypnosis, it's an altered state of awareness. That same awareness that really allows you to be in charge of a moving vehicle, a car. That same awareness that when you and I go to watch a movie at the cinema, for one reason or another, our unconscious mind acts as if it's real. And you and I know that it's all made up, but we go into that altered state. Well, when you're in a sales presentation, it's like being at a movie. There are different things going on, different emotions floating around. Imagine being able to use the same strategies, okay, the same approach that a hypnotherapist can use to help people change their lives for you to get more sales, more profit, and boost your profile. Well, that's what I do. I show people how to use the language patterns, the phrases. Some of them go back into the centuries, way beyond. I love the traditional approaches, okay? So when I'm working with my clients, I show them how to do that, whether I'm speaking on stage, consulting, or coaching. It's as easy as that. And there's also another positive benefit to being able to use hypnosis, and that's to inoculate against the demons of what I call rejection. Okay, a lot of salespeople out there hate being rejected. Okay, they hate the emotions that they think they're going to be feeling, or maybe they are feeling when things aren't going so well. Well, what I do with clients, I show them how to use the same approaches, like say hypnotherapists will use, to allow people to get rid of their fears, their phobias, their worries, their concerns, and we apply it to the sales arena. It's so easy, yeah? So you can apply hypnosis today in your business, and I can show you how. It's as easy as that. So it's Gary Outrageous. If you need any more help or assistance, look down the page. There'll be a presser part where you can get one of my free audio programs, Sales Hypnosis. I know that you'll absolutely love that. I reckon it's worth at least £4,500. So I put £450, and for my American friends, $5,000. Okay, why do I say that? Because I've had thousands of clients listen to my programs and improve their sales 5-10 times, probably more than that. So it's here today, free for you. Yeah. So it's Gary Outrageous, wishing you all the best and looking forward to meeting with you soon. Until then, you take care and bye for now.